Hi guys, welcome to Auto Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify playing random songs. So first of all, you have to go to your Play Store, or if you are using iPhone, you have to go to App Store and check whether you are using the latest version of Spotify or not. So for example, I'm just playing this playlist. Okay, so this is the playlist which I am playing, and just let me show you an example. Okay, so just let me show you an example. Okay, so for I'll just play this playlist and let's take this song, and if I just click on the play button, okay, it will start playing a random song. And after that, when this song will complete, okay, when this song will complete, it will just start playing the another random song from here. So how you can stop this? So basically there are two options. The first one is when you open the playlist, you will see here a green icon which is a shuffle. It is currently on, so I have to just click on that and I have to turn it off. So basically this is how you can turn off the shuffle mode and it will stop playing your random songs. Okay, and the second option is that here also in the bottom side, in the bottom, you can see that a shuffle option is here. Let me just click it. If it turn into green, then your shuffle mode has on. If you just click on that and if it turn into white, then your shuffle mode is off. So basically this is how you can turn off your shuffle mode and your Spotify will stop playing random songs. So this is it guys, I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.